This is the Teverun Fighter 11 Plus, 1600 watts at the back, 1600 watts at the front, 5,000 watts total. I'm having an absolute blast today. I've got Michael, I've got Eric. We're riding around Victoria, enjoying these beautiful views while screaming around on this monster. You may remember, if you are subscribed to this channel, that I reviewed the Teverun Fighter Supreme just a couple of weeks ago. You guys loved it. If you haven't seen it, you can watch it right here. But this is absolutely lovely, and this is like the baby brother to the Supreme. So I'm really excited by it. I'm really enjoying the ride. I'm gonna ride around Victoria. I'm gonna share with you what I like and what I don't like about the Teverun Fighter 11 Plus. Let's talk about folding. It's a big scooter. You might want to put this in the trunk of your car. So let's do that. A little catch here, a little squeeze here, and away we go. Now this is absolutely brand new, so it's gonna be a little stiff. And squeeze on the buttons here, and it will nicely release the handle all the way down. There's a catch at the back, and a little hook. Time it together. And you can pick it up and carry it maybe. I wouldn't want to do more than just picking it up and putting it in the trunk of your car. It's pretty heavy. If you're going to carry it around, I think you want to still use this because there is a light at the back. One of the things I am impressed, although I'm not a big fan of that light at the back, the actual stem and the actual locking assembly is very robust, quite robust. In fact, it just feels, as soon as I lock it down, there's no movement, there's no stem wiggle, nothing. The design of this stem is really quite comfortable, especially when you're a heavier rider. Because when you're riding around as a heavy rider, and you put the brakes on, maybe you had an emergency brake, you're always thinking, is it gonna be okay? And this has been an absolute delight. So let's continue on. I want to share with you next what I think about the stem height. I absolutely love the stem itself. It's great. The only thing that I find is at 6 feet, if you're taller than I am, which is just over the 6 foot mark, the stem is just the actual handlebar height is just a little bit too low, I think. It's comfortable for me. You're 6'3", 6'4". I think it's going to be problematic. However, if you are taller and you're thinking of getting one of the fighters, any of the Teverun lineup, I would reach out to Super Scoots because they've actually going to be bringing in a new handlebar assembly setup, which will have that sort of that looping up on both sides. And that's going to give you about 3 or 4 inches extra. So if you are a taller rider and you happen to order from Super Scoots, that might be a really good option for you. And speaking of Super Scoots, if you decide you'd like to buy one of the Teveruns, I'm gonna have a discount code below all the videos. I know I probably didn't mention it in the Supreme, but I'm gonna mention it now. Go ahead, click on that link. There'll be a small discount for you and a little bit of recognition for me. I must say the lighting on the Teveruns is exceptional. Lighting up and down the sides, lighting down the side here, lighting at the back. When I push the brake, it's flashing. It's really clear that I'm braking. The headlights, oh, look at this. Super bright. I don't know if you can tell, but it's shining up the other side of the bridge over here. Yeah. Cheers. And also the display. The display is just lovely. I'm gonna invite Michael to come over and I'm gonna show you. Look how lovely the display is. Absolutely lovely. One of the beautiful things is it also has an NFC tag. So I can grab one of the NFC tags on here and turn it on. And what's really nice is there's a light right on the NFC reader that's gonna show you whether or not it's unlocked. And it's even got turn signals, super easy to manage. And when you brake, you have hazards if you wanted to. One of the things I absolutely love about the Teverun Fighter 11 Plus is the massive battery that it's got in here. It's got a 60 volt system, 35 amp hours. That's gonna give you range for days. So if you're doing things like DoorDash, if you've got a long commute, or you just don't like charging it up very often, or you've got, beautiful, beautiful parkway and pathways that you can ride around all day, this is gonna be ideal for you. Just got massive oodles and oodles of range is what I'm gonna say. So, and as I'm riding around right now, I mean, I barely touched the actual battery. I do want to share with you the suspension. I am delighted with the suspension. It's fully adjustable suspension. And as I'm riding along on these wooden slats just now, it's just going across it beautifully. That coupled with the 11-inch tires, it just makes this quite a formidable electric scooter. Formidable fighter. Yes, indeed it is. I'm also really liking the steering dampener. It's fully adjustable, so if you are planning on going at higher speeds, you can, you know, tighten it up a little, give it a little bit less, a little bit more resistance, and it allows you to turn a little bit more like this rather than turning like this. But if you're in town, you gotta loosen it up and not worry about it. And lastly, the brakes. With such a fast scooter, you need to have that comfort that you're gonna be able to stop. So not only does it have really strong, powerful brakes, but they're silent. You don't hear any squeaking or anything like that. They're top quality hydraulic brakes. Also, just an aside, I do like the thumb throttle, and these grips are really quite nice. There's no movement whatsoever, which, you know, when you're riding around, you don't want any movement on the hand grips. The Teverun Fighter 11 Plus is an absolute dream. It's right up there with, you know, like the Wolf Kings, the Cabos. It's lovely. Obviously, it's a lot, very, very similar to a Blade, Blade GT. It's got fabulous brakes, terrific suspension. It's got the steering dampener. It's got plenty of power. If you're looking for oodles of power with a huge battery, that 60 volt, 35 amp hour battery is massive. So if you want to make it your electric scooter, you can get into the app, do some programming, and get all the lighting just the way you want it. I absolutely think this is absolutely delightful. 2 thumbs up, big guy approved.
Big guy approved.
If you happen to live in Canada and you would like a Teverun Supreme or 11 Plus, make sure you reach out to Super Scoots. They're very kindly lending me this scooter for the ride. Maybe we'll do range tests, maybe we'll do some comparisons. Let me know what you want down in the comments down below. And if you, as I said, if you are interested in buying one, make sure you use the discount code down below in the description.